Actually, this is our simulated tunnel. The real mine shaft, 500 meters beneath the surface.
Deeper than if you put 101 under the ground,
Yeah,
so it's even
yeah.
longer.
We saw some pictures that they were like almost naked or naked doing
Yeah,
their job.
that's right. Because the temperature is about 37 Fahrenheit.
Oh my god. He's sleeping. Oh no, don't touch, don't touch.
I am so scared of this bed.
我不要去，我不要去。Oh, what the hell just happened? Mama. Hi.
Hi everyone, I'm David.
Nice to meet you.
Actually, this is the very last coal mine in Taiwan.
Oh.
Okay, we ceased production in 1997. My father was the owner. He turned this coal mine into a museum in 2002.
2002.
Yeah.
Oh.
I see
Okay.
some trains here. What is it?
This train we call the one-eyed monk.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Yeah.
So cute.
They were imports from Japan.
And these trains, do they still work? Can we ride it?
Sure. If you
We
want to
can
ride,
see.
you have to pick the head.
Okay.
Any color you like.
Okay, good. I think I want a yellow one.
Oh,
Hey!
yellow one.
I take first.
Okay, then I'll take the white one. Maybe I'll just a simple photo or something.
So we picked the head, but there are different colors. Do they mean something?
Yeah, sure. Because it is very dark in the tunnel, so easy to identify. So the co-workers, okay, they use yellow. Okay, the blue one is like an engineer. Okay, the white one, boss.
Oh, the boss! Oh, right. I knew that.
Okay.
I knew that. Yes, thank you.
Oh, it's shaking.
Yeah, 开始了。
哦，
开始了。
哇
Very shaky.
It's a roller coaster.
Oh, it's raining.
Are we gonna survive? I think I need to close my head. That was a fun trip. Yeah.
So this one looks very like a hard job. So how did they do that?
Actually, this is our simulated tunnel. The real mine shaft is the 500 meters beneath the surface.
So it's
So it's under us right now?
Yeah.
Deeper than if you put 101 under the ground,
Yeah,
so it's even longer.
Yeah, you can sit down. You know.
我的天哪！跟他说不要进去。
It's gone.
It's gone.
It's,
Okay.
it's only back.
不要我。
Okay.
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 But it's very dangerous job, right?
It's very dangerous and it's very hot
Hot.
and it's very humid.
Oh, no air,
We
right?
saw some pictures that they were like almost naked or naked doing
Yeah,
their job.
that's right. Because the temperature,
too hot.
yeah, it's about 37 Fahrenheit. It is very high. So you want to take a look?
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
I am so scared of this bed.
Oh my god. He's sleeping. Oh no, don't touch, don't touch. Oh.
我不要去，我不要去。因为那个 oh here's everything is closed. I'm gonna
It's
die.
gone. It's already gone.
Thank you. Oh, what the hell just happened? Mama.
I'm happy I'm safe and alive. Okay, let's go.
Let's go explore more.
So what we have to do with this one? Where did you get it from?
Yeah, what's that?
This is our railroad spike.
Oh, road bike.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's very important. I mean, to the railway. for
Just
the safety.
try.
Yeah, that's right. In Mandarin, we call it 铁钉,铁钉成功,铁钉发财. So this is so-called lucky spike.
Lucky one.
So you can make your own for yourself, or for your family or friend
Health
to claim the good fortune.
Okay.
Nice.
Let's
I hope
it.
it's gonna help.
Yes.
Right.
And we
I
have
keep
to
it.
paint them.
Yeah, just choose the color you like.
Oh, so we can
Yeah.
paint whatever we want.
Yeah, so on the head of the
Okay,
of the
that's
spike.
good.
Okay.
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 So you guys done?
Yes.
Let's show. I drew
Oh,
it.
it's very beautiful.
I drew
I
it.
drew flowers for you, Billy.
Oh, she will eat
Yeah.
your flower after.
Wow.
It's a turtle. Turtle.
Ah,
house.
this is
Okay.
You are talented.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll give you some gift.
Oh, good.
What's that? What's that?
Surprise.
Okay, yes.
Happy New
This is
Year.
what I made for you.
Oh,
Okay.
it's our country.
Yeah,
Uh,
okay.
oh,
And
so
this is
cute.
Russia.
Thank you so
Right.
much.
Thank
for
you.
you.
Paraguay.
Okay. Okay, meanwhile,
Oh,
Oh, we're kind of the same.
thanks for coming to our museum and please welcome back again.
cute.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Thank
Okay.
you. Oh, so cute.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome to Taiwan.
Thank you.
This place, this is a formal restroom for all the coal miners. This meat is made from that one. That one is real smoker, which is usually used in coal mine.
I know.
It's a high pressure air tank. I cut it and mount it and make it to be a very good smoker. So you can taste that.
So girls, after the long day, which one you like more? Which the places you like the most?
I think for me, I like the most making the corn.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, because
that was
Yeah.
tough. I feel like at some point.
I love the like DIY things and crafting, and this is kind of DIY, like really fast one. Yeah, and my second favorite was the waterfall.
Right.
It was so great, right? I
for-
didn't expect it to be that huge,
Right.
like that impressive.
I didn't expect it was too beautiful, actually.
Because for me, I also feel like waterfall at Xinpingxi was like the best part because I've been living in Taiwan for so long, but I never actually came there, even though it's so close to Taipei. So I came there for the first time, and it was a bit rainy today, but still there was a lot of people. And the bridge, I really also like the bridge, the one we walked when we went to see the waterfall. And the waterfall itself is actually so big.
I really like the one-eyed monk train because it is really. I embraced the moment when I saw the women who is riding the train because it reminds me to the strong women because she is already old age and she is still doing it. It doesn't really matter what's her age.
And when you sit, it's like shaking like
yeah,
this, like
and
roller
it's
coaster.
so cute, actually.
And did you notice that the train looks like a minion with one eye? So cute. And it's actually like yellow color. So cute.